everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins and a cat named Moonshadow who always entertains us every day. I just want to thank you for coming by and watching my video and my crafts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because Moonshadow and I would love it. Thank you and continue to watch. DIY number 1. I have this cute little truck and I have no clue to where I got it. It's a possibility that I got it at Dollar General. I don't remember though because I've had it for a while. And I have all these little succulents. So I'm going to make a succulent truck. And this is just simple, easy. I got all these little succulents from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to put it in this little truck bed. So if you just want to do something with all the succulents that you might have, I would say put it in a flower pot or maybe a cute little truck. Or I know Dollar General had those cute little wired pigs, or I think they even had the cows, but you can just put something together and there you have it. This would be cute if you just had a few minutes and you wanted to put something on a picnic table or outside on your patio. You have to cut the little tags off because I did get these at Dollar Tree. And they have some nice ones. They had pretty colors. And I love the way this turned out. It's just cute and it's simple. And I'm just sticking them in the little truck bed. Some of these had the little flower pots on them. And that's pretty much it. It's cute, it's easy, and it's inexpensive. How cute is that? I was going to make a little food truck. I think the next truck I make is going to be antique furniture. I'm going to raid all my kids' little antique furniture and make a little flea market truck. How cute would that be? We'll just pile it up with dollhouse furniture. That's my next one that you'll see sometime this summer in a video. DIY number 2 is I got these glass, I guess they're like jars. They almost look like oil jars from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to pull the little stickers off. And then I got these cute little flower bouquets from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put them in the little jars. All right, I painted this somehow. My daughter lost the footage on it because I painted it, and I painted it white, and then I antiqued it, and then I put the flowers in there. DIY number 3. All right, I got this at Dollar Tree for $8. It's a cute little calf picture, as you can see, and you'll see the little bird on his head. I was going to take the corners off, but I might sell this, so I probably am not going to take the corners off just to protect it if I have to mail it to somebody, because it's stapled on, so I figured I'll just show you what I did with the canvas. So I'm just taking little flowers and I'm taking my glue gun and I'm gluing it to each little calf's ear. I just used my glue gun and I just put a drop of glue on the back of the flower and then I just pressed it into the little canvas. Then I thought I'd put a little bit of bling to it because you could see some of the flowers when you cut them, they look like they don't have a little piece right in the middle, so I just put some little gems on there. Okay, I went back and changed that one to a clear one. As you can see, it was pink, but I went ahead and did all clear ones all through it. And look how cute these turned out. I love the way this little picture turned out. It is such a cute little picture for a kid's room or a bathroom or a kitchen. And even the little chicken's got a little hairpiece. How cute is that? I love the way this turned out. It is so cute. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.